Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today I got something unique for you guys. I have a bill counter. It's the GS NX-422B bill counter, and it can also detect counterfeit bills. So it's got EV, MG, and IR counterfeit detection. And we're going to do an unboxing and testing of this bad boy. And you're probably wondering, Joe, how are you going to do the counterfeit testing? Don't you worry. Alright, so it looks like we have a brush, probably to brush off the sensors and stuff. An extra belt for the controlling of it. Oh, look at this. This is pretty cool. We have 2,000 bundle stickers, 1,000 bundle stickers that wrap around the money. Here's the display for the counter. So it does have a handle. I do remember reading that. Alright, so this is what she looks like. Really nice. This is not like a rechargeable type. This one is portable, needs to be plugged in, and it looks nice. I'm looking forward to see how well this works. So let's plug this bad boy in with the included cable. Each denomination bill has a different magnetic characteristics about it. All right. So what I mean is that's how a bill magazine, when you put money into a like a change machine to get tokens or quarters back, like in a game room, or if you're buying a soda and you put money in, put $1 in, a $5, $10 bill, it's not physically reading the number on the bill. Each bill has a different magnetic characteristic about it, and when it goes through the bill changer or bill acceptor, and then there's a reader that reads the magnetic characteristics of the bill, and that's how it knows if it's a 10, a 1, a 5, a $2 bill for that matter, 50, 100. That's how it knows. So there is a magnetic reader inside of this that can actually read the magnetic capability of the bill. That's how it knows the denomination. I can plug it in, turn it on. Ooh, spinning, doing its thing. Looks like it did a power on self-test. And let's just do basic counting. So we have a bunch of hundreds here. Holy crap, that was fast! 30 $100 bills. Jesus Christ, that was fast! I couldn't believe it, oh my God! That is ridiculous. Alright, so I have 20s here. So you have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, Trump bill, and another 20. Let's see what happens. Up. An alarm. And it came right up that it wasn't real. And there you go. Alright, so when you have the functions turned off, like the MG, UV, and IR off, it only counts. And this is obviously fake. So if we turn on UV and IR, it detects fake bill. If you have MG, UV, IR, it detects a fake bill. Let's do that again. So when the alarm goes off, it's the bill that's in there that tells you that's the fake one. So once you remove all the bills that went through, the last one is the one that tells you that it was the fake one. That's pretty cool, and there it is. That's pretty impressive. I gotta show you this. I just can't believe how fast this thing counts. I gotta set up a camera right here so you can see this thing. This thing's unbelievable. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. So each time I put it in, it counts the bills. If you want to add it, like additional bunches, so counting, that's 30, and then I have another 30, that counts 60, and I do another 90. That's pretty cool. EE1 is counterfeit or suspicious banknote without UV feature, so it can't detect with the ultraviolet light. And then the EE2 is without MG, incorrect MG ink feature, and IR feature, incorrect IR feature. So each one of these notes has certain features that it has to pass. And once it passes that, it's a good note. And that's what this thing can do. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.